What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to another episode of It's Food, Dude. So in today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys two Rice Krispie recipe. That's a tongue twister. Okay, so we're going to be making two Rice Krispie recipes. One's going to have mini M&Ms and one's just going to be regular plain. And these recipes are only going to take 5 minutes total to make. You can package these marshmallow crispy treats and sell them for $2 at a bake sale, on your food truck, whatever you're trying to do, it doesn't matter. Just for a snack, it doesn't matter. They're going to be so good, and I hope you're ready for this video. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to need is a box of Rice Krispies. You will need 6 cups. You also will need 2 bags of the Jet Puffed Mini Marshmallows. These are perfect size for marshmallow chunks. And then you're also going to need mini M&Ms. This is optional. If you don't want to do mini M&Ms, you don't have to. And then you're also going to need parchment paper, or you can use wax paper. I'm going to be using plastic wrap because I'm going to individually wrap my Rice Krispie treats, and I'm going to be using an 8x8 because I want really thick treats. And also you'll need a stick of butter. So with the stick of butter, it's actually just 6 tablespoons of butter. I'm just going to melt that in my pot. I'm using a wooden spoon. You can use a spatula, whatever, it doesn't matter. You're going to melt that until it comes to a bubble, and then we can add in our marshmallows. I'm going to be adding 1 bag to this mixture, and then we're going to add more marshmallows a little bit later. Once everything is melted, you're going to go ahead and add in your 6 cups of Rice Krispies cereal, and then you're just going to slowly combine that. Once everything is combined, we're going to go ahead and add in a half a bag of our mini marshmallows. These are just going to barely melt, and you're going to be able to see the marshmallow chunks in our Rice Krispie treats. So I lined my glass dish with parchment paper, but you can use wax paper, and I just folded the edges a little bit so that it holds its shape. And then I'm just going to dump in my marshmallow Rice Krispie treat mixture and kind of pat everything down. Using another piece of parchment, I'm just going to go over the top and kind of press on it so it holds its shape. And then we can go ahead and add in our mini M&Ms on one half of our Rice Krispie treats, but this is totally optional. We're going to go ahead and put our paper back on it so we can press in those mini M&Ms. So I'm going to lift this out of my dish, and then I'm just going to cut along the edges because I kind of want to make sure everything is like even shape, and you don't want any like thin edges. And then when you're done, you can just cut this in half, and then I'll probably end up cutting this into thirds. And guys, just look how thick our Rice Krispie treats are. That's how thick I like mine. Look at this big chunka. So this step is optional, but I'm going to be using the Reynolds plastic wrap, and I'm going to individually wrap these. And I'm probably going to give these to my family members just because they're just cute little lunch snacks and they're just easy to eat on the go. And plus the plastic wrap will keep the Rice Krispies a lot fresher. Here's the final product. Thanks everybody for watching. If you like this video, give it a fat thumbs up, a juicy thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel, you can comment down below, do all that good stuff. And thanks for watching.